Can you change an irrevocable trust? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer. And today I would like to answer that question for you because it was recently asked of me. Well, when you hear the word irrevocable, most people think that the trust cannot be changed. You remember, a revocable living trust can be changed by the trustee anytime you want. And most people, when they look at irrevocable trust, the whole idea of an irrevocable trust is that it's protected, and because it's irrevocable, creditors can't get to it under certain things. Medicaid can't get to it. You can have life insurance in that trust. But there are ways, if it is necessary, to go ahead and change the irrevocable trust. You're not really changing it. You're not amending it. You need to put on your sommelier cap. And what you're going to do in the state of Indiana is just like you do with a fine bottle of wine. You take that red wine and you pour it out and you put it into a decanter. And then you allow it to air out and you allow it to get its body, and it becomes such a good wine. The same thing with the trust. If there's some magic language in the trust which allows the trustee to invade the principal, and it allows the trustee to take that principal, decant it out of the trust, and put it into another trust, which at that point might become revocable. However, there's a lot of rules to decantation. You have to give notice to all the beneficiaries. It's always a really good idea to get a consent from all the beneficiaries so everybody knows what's going on, and later on somebody's not going to come after the trustee and say you did something wrong. If you're even more concerned about potential litigation in the future, you can always docket the trust in the court and show the court that you're following the statute and that you provide notice. And then potentially you can get the judge to sign off on what you're doing in order to protect you. It's not easy, but it can be done. You see, sometimes the whole understanding or the whole purpose of the irrevocable trust may be gone 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years down the road. And you don't want to be stuck with this irrevocable trust if you're going to be paying higher taxes and things along those lines. You want to do what's best for the beneficiaries. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.